Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Mastodon not working problem. So first of all, open your browser and click on this three dot, settings, scroll down and click on about Chrome, and it will automatically update your browser, and then go to privacy and security, click on cookies and other site data. Scroll down and click on see all site data and permissions, and from this list you have to find mastodon.social site, and you have to click on delete, clear, and now go to extensions, and you have to disable all your extensions from your browser, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is click on your search bar, type your cmd, open cmd, type here ipconfig space / release and hit enter, and now type ipconfig space / renew, hit enter, and now type ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter, and now check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is you will need to change your internet connection, and you can connect your mobile hotspot here and then check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.